Hey, welcome back to GetRacingSchool.com. Today, finally, after a few months of grinding with this helicopter and doing all the settings, I had to learn everything about the rotor flight. I had to learn everything about HTX, well, not everything, but most of it, in order to get the helicopter going. So this is the maiden flight. I don't know how it's gonna go, so I'm asking my tocayo to film me and see what's going on. Okay, let's hope it flies.
Go ahead.
All right, here it goes.
So far, so good.
Flies!
Finally!
Smooth! I'm a little bit nervous. I have my hands a little shaky, but I'm good. See how my thumb?
Yes, yes. Look. Very good.
Aquí, I think it's a little bit under rev. What do you guys think? Está bajito en revoluciones.
Poquito. Y ponle idle. Yo creería que sí.
I dropped Rotoflight, Nexus X or XR, and HTX set up from zero.